3 vitamins to repair nervous system. 1. Vitamin B6. This vitamin is involved in the production of neurotransmitters. Vitamin B6 is a water-soluble vitamin that helps to maintain your nervous system, and it's also crucial for the production of serotonin and dopamine, which are chemical messengers that transmit signals between nerve cells. Good dietary sources of vitamin B6 include poultry, fish, bananas, potatoes and nuts, spinach, salmon, poultry, fish, organ meats. 2. Vitamin E, an antioxidant. Vitamin E helps protect nerves from damage caused by free radicals. It may also play a role in nerve repair and regeneration. It helps protect nerve cells from damaged foods. Good sources of vitamin E include nuts, seeds, spinach, and vegetable oils. Nut seeds. Dark green vegetables like spinach and avocados and olive oil. 3. Vitamin B12. This vitamin is crucial for nerve function and the production of myelin, which insulates and protects nerves. Deficiency in B12 can lead to nerve damage and neurological problems. Vitamin B12 cobalamin. Vitamin B12 is a water-soluble vitamin that helps keep your nerves healthy and functioning. You can get enough vitamin B12 for eating fortified foods, such as dairy products like yogurt, eggs, meat, fish, such as wild salmon, which has higher levels than farmed salmon.